Good morning. Good morning, Predator. How you doing? We are here. We are here. Oh man, feeling rough today, but we're still gonna give the good old college try. Morning, Cooper. All right, all right. FOMC today, guys. FOMC. We got good news from Bulenox. We finally got paid on Bulenox. We requested on Thursday, I think. They took the balance out and sent me the money last night. So that's good news. What up, Matty Matt, Robert? Pre-market really well. You need to stay focused. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm sleepy, guys. Oh. What up, Francis? Peter in the house. Peter in the house. I guess we're gonna kind of see what the market gives us. No payout for you yet. They don't. I mean, you should be okay, Timbo. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Francis. Seek and destroy, choppy, choppy. We might take a trend line trade. I might avoid the funded accounts until after FOMC, if at all. We'll see. So I don't really know. Trade a pre-market down $40. Wow, just $40. It's fine, Matt. Just down $40. You are good. I'm sleepy. Ugh. All right. So let's see what kind of news we got here. Let's take a look at it. Crude oil inventories. What time is that? 9:30. Crude oil inventories. Crude oil news. Obviously, FOMC at 2. Thought I heard a noise. Mancini says after a 105-point sell yesterday, back test on Monday, I was looking for a bounce to 58.61 or 56.81. We got it. Plan today, noise until FOMC. 68 to 72 is support, along with 51. 56.99 to 57.04 up next. 57.20. We sell below 56.51. There you go. Good morning, I hate weeks. How you doing? Trade mints in the house. So I don't know, kind of like a normal range overnight here, but when I look at it, I don't see a whole lot of reasonable price action. I mean, yeah, it looks like I would have not really done well in the overnight. It's not anything clear that I see. Kind of choppy. Kind of setting up maybe a little LR here. So maybe at open, just run this very quickly. Overnight high sitting up there, 797. Yeah, I mean, that kind of is what I'm thinking that we set up to right there. You kind of got like a little support area here. So yeah, probably just rip right through 797 to start the day. Kind of my lean. We'll see. You know how this looks. I just want to grab a grand. Yeah. Everything's going to open red. This is kind of what I'm thinking there. Let's see what the 15 minutes kind of looking like. I mean, really kind of looking the same way there. Got that wick up there. We did kind of run buy side. I don't know. If I'm looking at the higher time frame here, yeah, I think a push up into like the 820, 880 area. It's that 50% mark. There's the OTE. We'll mark this out so we know. It probably pushes up. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we just go straight up at open today. Maybe no manipulation lower, just straight up. I don't know. What do you guys think? What's your lean? You think we're just going to go straight up at open? I kind of feel like the bottom might be in, at least short term, for like a push up here. But we'll see. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. We'll see. I don't know. I'm leaning towards long 2 trading minutes, but I don't know. We'll see what we get it open. We'll see what sets up. I will be on an eval here to start the day. I will let you guys know if I decide to take a trade. Oh, so let's kind of see here. We break this trend line, I think we run, like I said, into the 790 quickly. Maybe we just kind of get tighter and tighter here until open. And we'll see where it goes from there. What do we got there? Is that the 925 candle? John in the house. Good morning. Thank you. So we're going to start off on an eval here. I will still take a funded trade on my funded futures in Bulenox. The 20 accounts we're going to be a little more patient with, obviously. Good morning, Team Tiger. John. Best eval deal right now, Peter, is Take Profit Trader is going to be $119 for the 50K, no activation fee. Besides that, you got 75% off Bulenox. And then I think people are sleeping on the My Funded Futures deal. It is pretty decent. $97 for the starter account with no activation fee. And also, if you pay with crypto or whatever the other one is, you get 5% off now with the code. What up, Team Tiger? And then obviously Apex is 71% off. But I think the best deal is probably go with Take Profit Trader or My Funded Futures, followed by Bulenox. Typically, I would say Bulenox, but they're not 90% right now. So yeah, exactly. Black Beauty, the daily payouts. Yeah, I think Take Profit Trader's better, for sure. What up, Pine Tree? The Tree of Pines is in the house. We were talking to Pine Tree last night during his stream for a little bit, as the boys were playing baseball, and they got their tree ended, or their sale ended. I can't even talk. Their season. God, I can't even talk. I'm so tired today. Their season ended last night. All right, getting the breakout already. I might just take this on an eval. Yeah, the season ended. They got swept. Hello, John. John, how's it going, Pine Tree? How is it going? Do we just take the long here? Oh my goodness, what's that? Why not? Why not? We're on an eval here. Why not? It's going to run 797. We know that, guys. Yeah, I got a late entry too, but I can add back until a retest. A clear trend line liquidity there. Clear trend line. Just pop through that pivot there. We should be able to go. Do I go for more? I'm going to go for 20 per. I'm going to go for the 820s. I'm going to go for the 820s here. See if it just rips higher. Probably stops me out and then goes. I don't know if I should like re-enter off. I'll probably just let it stop me out and then re-enter. That's probably what I'll do. I think we just go straight to the moon. Three, two, one, blast off. All right, ran the overnight high there by a tick. Look at that. By just a wick. That's not very bullish there, but we get back above the top of that wick there, 800, I think we rip right there. I think we just rip here, 810s, 820s on deck. Probably should lock some in here. So locking in 12 points. Should just go here, 820s. Should just go. Like I said, normally I would take profit at 805, 810, but I think, oh, let's go. I hate weeks. Yeah, Matt. It's one of those things where you know it's going to do that. You kind of just have that feel, right? It's one of those days where you feel like it's just going to rip right at open. That's what it did, so. All right, it got me. It's all right. We took a little something out of it. Yes, pulling back there. All right. Grab the opening pump. Let's go, Tech T. Let's go. I did too. I mean, I think this thing is still going to run. You could maybe... You could get in here with 12-point stop. I'm going to get in here myself. Oh, man. That's a little higher than I wanted there. There we go. And I'm going to take one off there. And then we will... and then we'll take one off there and we'll kind of look a little higher here. Maybe like 830 on this runner. We'll go break even at 815 here. Oh, come on. And get out there. I'm not gonna. I don't want to hold two minis through that. It came so close to hitting that target there. It was very choppy. VWAP holding made me stay bullish. Yeah. I probably should have went for the 10 there, Manny Matt. I did take that pop. Kind of a pullback down here into the 770s might make sense. Yep. I'm going to wait and see. Up 2K, yeah, you should stop. For sure on a day like today. I'm going to take a little bounce stab here. I'm going to go one more there. Take this off at 90. Something like that. Back through that 9 EMA there. Let's see if we can go. Put the stop in here. It's a little too further, a little more than I'd like, but it's fine. And I'm out. What up? CK, I'm good. And now it holds the VWAP. 5-minute red candle. Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. That actually is a big harami. I just noticed it. I missed it. That actually would have been a short from 771. Yeah, I should have got out there. Let's go, CK. Nice job. Harami played out there. The market's about as nasty as UJ football team's driving record. Maybe. Didn't quite make it to that 50% mark up there. We are hanging out at the VWAP now. 50 cycle level VWAP. Yeah, I was kind of thinking we would get to the 50%. Just didn't quite make it. ES pulled back there to the 81s. Didn't quite make it to the VWAP. Did not quite make it to the VWAP. God dang it. What would that be? 89. I'll take these two off at 89. And we'll see if this one. We might just roast this account right out of the gate. Which means if we do, we will we'll take it easy on the next one. I have 2 evals today that I can trade on Bulenox. So All right, it's got to rip up right here, otherwise gonna have to get out. Gonna have to get out. Can we go? Can we go? Get back through the 80s, retest the pivot at the 90. Nope. Couldn't do it. Try again. I'm going to kill it. Boom, boom, boom. Alcy Faye, good morning. Your VWAP on some micros, though. Where your VWAP at? Yeah, we got the VWAP down there, 750. It's not a bad area. Do, do, do. All right, let's try a breakthrough. Oh, did we blow the account already? I guess we did. On to the next one. All right, we'll be a little more reasonable on this one. Try to be a little more reasonable. I'm just trading a mini tin can. Minis on this Bulenox 50K eval. Swap the overnight high. Looks like it's wanting to go for the overnight low now. ES at the VWAP there. We'll take a little retest here. We shall take a little retest here. See if we can get it. So in other words, a push back up into here. 750 retest. We'll try it. Boom, boom, boom. We're ripping lower. Yeah, I probably should have switched my bias there once we kind of failed to make a new high here. Should have probably just started looking for shorts there, but didn't. That's okay. Just a big boner candle down. 705, kind of that level down there. That first level of support. On the 5-minute. $670 below there, looks like. It's ripping lower. Settlements at 702. So we'll see here. So kind of bouncing back up there. ES reclaiming the VWAP. Sorry, I'm looking over here at another screen. Let's see here. There's the first test of the 9 there. I'm going to take it. And see if we can make new lows here. Nice push down so far off the 9. Probably could have just taken the 10 points there. But going for a little bit. Whoop, I don't know what that is. Okay, that is not bueno. That's gotta be news. That's not normal. Do I just kill it or just see if it's going to be a manipulation higher? It's just an eval, so at the end of the day. Do we just kill it? Is the question. Probably. Probably. Yeah, I'll just let it go. It's fine. I'll just let it go. I mean, I do think it gave 10 points off the 9, but I don't know. If it blows, it blows here. Unfortunately, that's what we might be dealing with today. I have no idea, CK. That's not normal. That's not a normal 1 minute candle. I mean, that's 55 points. ES already broke through the highs there. Nasdaq has not. It looks like it's probably going to follow. There goes that account. So ES right through the highs there. Nasdaq holding up. Yeah, that was weird. That was cray-cray, whatever that was. Trump call it 10 a.m. Yeah, seems like something. Kind of a 2 minute here, potentially. That's crazy. Yeah, Tech T, that was crazy. That was insanity. Insanity of in. There you go. Just a big rip higher. Big wick over there on the 2-minute. So I'm kind of watching this here, guys. We have an SMT here at the highs. We had SMT at the highs there. If Nasdaq does not break the high and we get kind of a death candle through here, then I'll probably take it. I'll target there. He was in heavy long at 19. Kitten walked across my keyboard, got out right before it pumped. Uh-oh. Yeah, John. Exactly. Exactly. It's definitely not going to. And that's the reason I started off on those evals, right? Because I already know that that's going to be the case. Now, I did take a small trade on that first entry on that chase on the push up. I did lock in my $100 for my 4th day. So I just scalped it at $100. So we did lock in our 4th day here on this account. And we need one more traded day of $100 or more to be able to take $1,200 out. And that'll blow the account, but I'll try to go for like 400 or 500 on my next trade and next day. And that way maybe we have a little bit of room to trade micros, but we'll see. Time for some Chinese? Yeah. Time to go eat. Yeah, that's not quite, huh? Kind of watching the 5-minute here. No, I was short. I was short, CK. My voice is low. Turn up the volume, bro. Sounds okay to me. I don't know. Anybody else having a problem with my volume? I'm a degenerate. Okay. I have no idea. What about your computer volume, CK? Can you turn that up? Can you turn that up? Yeah. So we did tap the 1 minute there. We didn't get the 2-minute tap, but we tapped on the 1 minute. Got a minute left on this 5-minute candle. Let's see kind of how it closes. There's push through the high. There's the 50%. So just trap some shorts there. Mainly me. Just trap me. That's all. I wanted to actually get short here, but we had blew the account, sadly enough. You put your stop left in the entry. Yeah, actually, that's good. This thing is just going. She is just going. Through the 50% mark, above 5,700 over there on the ES, 5703.50. Next level up, 5704. 5720 above there. I mean, a pullback into the 610 could be interesting for a bounce spot. Oh, I think I just did that. Did I do that? Oh, I did. Okay. Just making sure I'm on the right chart there. NMQ. Okay. I mean, a retest of that 810 or 814 area. I don't know. I was on the wrong chart there, guys, for a second. Scary. I took from your stop and got 20 points. Let's go. Nice job. I've got my 5-minute over here, kind of like drawing this out, the potential areas for it. I think a bounce off 614 for a long for maybe 10 or 12 points. Probably makes sense. You know, you got an untested wick there. You do have one lower as well, so I might take it off that level. 614.75 could look interesting. On my Bulenox funded, so you'll see if I enter. Yeah, this is crazy, Keegan. Something like that. I'm going to take it if we get the feel. I'm looking at this on a funded account too, by the way. This trade here. Just an untested wick there. We'll see if we bounce. You the man, Francis. Thank you very much. All right, let's see if this... We want an immediate reaction off that level. So if it doesn't come back and get me now, I won't take it. It needs to come back and get me now. Yeah, I don't think I like it now. It needed to come. It needed to tag me in there, and it didn't. Missed me by 3.5 points. Do I leave it on? I probably should take this off, to be honest. But I still think it could play out. All right, not anymore. Not anymore. I was looking for a long CK. 15-minute IBH. Where's that at? It's down here. Yeah, that was... Yeah, it's close to where... That's actually where I was targeting. That was going to be it's an untested wick right there on the 5-minute chart. Oh, I did just miss that too. That's interesting. That just failed. We did have a Harami candle right there too. It failed. All right. Looks like we're just going to move higher here. Bear flag. Nice little bear flag. Three candle pullback there. This close was a little too bullish to take, but 20-point stop. Just missed me there. 3 points off my entry. The 9 played. That Harami candle right there got smoked. I might have would have taken that one if I saw it, so. Isn't there a gap up above? There is from yesterday. New day opening cap 20,039 from yesterday. I don't know what the gap was today. I didn't look. To the moon, says give me liquidity. Could be. Looks that way, right? Yeah, you'd need some sort of pullback for the long. I think that made sense. It just didn't tag me in, right? Just did not tag me in there. Let's take that 50% mark off. I mean, we don't really need that anymore. What up, Joaquin? Yolma in the house. So just based off the range from yesterday and stuff, that's where I got OTE marked out right there, 873. Again, we do have that previous day, new day opening gap above 20,000 level. So stop talking to the good-looking man on your phone. Oh, who's on my phone? Stop texting me, bro. No, I'm just kidding. To the moon here. Feels bad that we did not, we didn't take part in the long there. So let's just wait and see what happens. We're just waiting. That's all we can do. Looking for a spot, take a trade on my Bulenox funded account here. Finally got my payout on that one, so it's free to trade. 3 points away to take those lows, yet we decided to leave. Yeah, it's crazy. You're short biased. It's insane. I don't know. I was thinking long at open. Actually, We had all this LRLR built up here at open. I was expecting a spike right up. We got it. I did take that, and then I tried to buy the pullback on my eval and just blew it. You know, that's how we do. And then I was short here for the retest of VWAP in some sort of wild 60.1 minute candle. So there you go. Yeah, got the London lows down there. Once we swept the Asia high, wanted to see lower. Yeah. So I'm just waiting. I was looking for a long right here off 814.75. I had my order at 815.25, and price just did not get back to there. It came back down to like 19 there. So it missed me by 3.5 points. Otherwise, would be in this long here. We did take one trade on our funded. We're up $130. Just a quick scalp to lock in our $100 for the day. So that's all we've done on that so far. That's all we're gonna do. That's all we're gonna do. Everything disappeared off my screen. Got you guys back up. Take longs off the EMA. Yeah, that's kind of what I was doing here too. The EMA was kind of lining up, but it didn't quite touch it either. Oh, you made the same trades. 3 trades total, long plus 5. Hey, sounds like you're good, Stan. This thing is just going, guys. 930 on deck. Just trying to find like some way to get in here and just not get wrecked, but just not much you can do here. I mean, maybe a pullback into the 845 area you might could take. But we are in OTE here. Question is, do we continue to pump here or do we dump? Yeah, exactly, Peter. Hold till 950. I mean, it could go. Could go to 950. I don't know. Tough to know. Tough to know here. Oh, good morning, Mad Moxie. Tough to get in here, guys. Good morning, Mad Moxie. How you doing? All moving averages and the VWAP are consolidated, but the PA is relentless. True. All right, guys. For those of you that are here, I'm going to tell you this only because I want my people to get the best deals possible. You know, I'd prefer you to use my code, obviously, but it looks like Alpine's and Nutty's code are 90% off at Apex for the next 2 hours. Don't use Patrick's code. I mean, come on. He makes enough money. Either use Alpine or Nutty's code, I guess. You know, I know they wouldn't do that for me. They would never do that for me, right? They would never say use Methodical's code. But if you do need an account, if you need an account, pick it up, use one of their codes. I want you guys to get the very best deals, and that's the reason I'm telling you guys that. So, Nutty and so NBT and Alpine. So, you know. Give me liquidity because, you know, Patrick over there, I guess, reached out to Apex and they gave them the 90% off. They've done that before. They won't do that. They won't give anybody else a code like that, 90% off. But for some reason, they give him. There's the first 99 touch there. But because I want you guys to receive the very best deal, you know what I'm saying? Uniman, give me liquidity. I just want you guys to receive the best deal. I mean, if you need accounts, I'd rather you get the discount. You know what I mean? It's sad that they don't make that across the board, but, you know, that's what they do. That's how they do us. If you choose to use my code, you guys are awesome. I appreciate you. Not really any other deal right now, Coveper. I literally just clicked on the stream to see what they were up to, and I heard Patrick screaming that. Maybe we can. The activation fee is still $125. Maybe if we ever get to go to the BDH, maybe we can get a 90% off then. Probably not. Probably not. Apparently the website's kind of not working right. Shocker. I should have bought this first 9 touch. I should have. All right, I'm going to take it here. It's cheap enough. Come on, rip it. Come on. Come on, go. All right, now the stop's going to go in. It's got to go here. All right. I should have taken that first test of it, and I did not. Need a little bit of a deeper pullback here. Probably. All right, I'm going to try again here. Going to try again here. If it fails to make a new high here, then we're probably just going down. Just thinking of taking a little stat. I'm thinking about another ad here for just 20 ticks. If it doesn't make a new high here, then that's going to be a big deal. It's probably going to go down. Back through the 90, we should be able to go. I actually think we probably pushed to like 905. All right. Previous 5 minutes consider Harami. It's not technically, no. That's an inside bar on the 5 minute. It's an inside bar. All right, looks like it's probably going to lose. Let's see here. All right, let's rip it. All right, I'm out. I'm just going to get out there. Kind of looks like we're failing to make a new high. Even if it goes, it's fine. Oh, come on. Really? Yeah, I think it's, I don't know. If I could have just left it down at the low, would have been fine. What up, Yamil? Kind of a lower high here, to be honest. I mean, we could get this pushed down into the 45.50 area. Another minute left on this 5 minute. Watching here. Still 58 seconds left on this candle. Considering maybe a short here. All right. Now it looks like it might break. We'll see. This looks like it might break here now. I'm going to take a stab here. Oh, come on. Might have got in too early on that. 5 seconds on the 5 minute candle here. All right, I'm in 3 here. I want to see this push up.